Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Smart English Ease, the place where learning English is fun and easy. In today's video, we're diving into 30 super useful phrasal verbs that will instantly boost your vocabulary and make your English sound more natural. Each phrasal verb comes with a simple meaning and real-life examples. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Give up means to stop doing something because it's too hard or you no longer want to continue. Examples. I tried learning the guitar, but I gave up after 2 weeks. Don't give up on your dreams. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Examples. She looks after her younger brother when their parents are at work. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Run into. Run into means to meet someone by chance. Samples. I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. Guess who I ran into yesterday? My childhood friend. Turn down. Turn down means to reject or refuse something. Examples. He turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. I invited her to the party, but she turned me down. Break down. Break down means to stop working for machines or to become very upset for people. Examples. My car broke down on the way to the airport. She broke down in tears after hearing the bad news. Pick up. Pick up can mean to collect someone or something, or to learn something. Examples. I'll pick you up at 7 o'clock. She picked up some Spanish while traveling in Mexico. Can you pick up some milk on your way home? Call off. Call off means to cancel something. Examples. They called off the meeting because the manager was sick. The wedding was called off at the last minute. Put off means to delay or postpone something. Examples. I'll pick you up at 7 o'clock. She picked up some Spanish while traveling in Mexico. Can you pick up some milk on your way home? Get along. Get along means to have a good relationship with someone. Examples. I get along really well with my coworkers. Do you get along with your neighbors? Come across. Come across means to find something by chance. Examples. I came across an old photo album in the attic. She came across a great deal on shoes online. Bring up. Bring up means to start talking about a topic. Examples. She brought up the idea of going on a trip. Don't bring up politics at dinner. Carry on. So carry on means to continue doing something. Examples. Please carry on with your work. Even after the interruption, he carried on speaking. Find out. Find out means to discover or learn something. Examples. I just found out that she's getting married. He found out the truth by accident. Get over. Get over means to recover from something. Examples. It took me a while to get over the flu. She finally got over her breakup. Hang out. Unmeeting means to spend time relaxing with others. Examples. We love hanging out at the cafe after school. Are you free to hang out this weekend? Make up has two meanings: to invent a story or to reconcile after an argument. Examples. He made up an excuse for being late. After the fight, they made up and became friends again. Look forward to means to be excited about something in the future. Examples. I'm looking forward to the holidays. She's looking forward to meeting you. Set up means to arrange or organize something. Examples. They set up a meeting for next Monday. He set up his new computer quickly. Pass out means to faint or lose consciousness. Examples. It was so hot she passed out during the event. He nearly passed out from exhaustion. Turn up means to appear or arrive unexpectedly. Examples. He turned up late to the party. Don't worry, the dog will turn up. Take off mean to remove something or for a plane to leave the ground. Examples. The plane took off at 8 a.m. He took off his jacket because it was hot. Back up means to support someone or make a copy of data. Examples. He backed up her story with evidence. Don't forget to back up your files. Work out means to exercise or to solve a problem. Examples. I work out at the gym every morning. Everything worked out in the end. Check out means to look at something interesting or to leave a hotel. Examples. Check out this cool video. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Drop off means to deliver someone or something. Examples. I'll drop you off at the station. He dropped off the package this morning. Come up with means to think of an idea or plan. Examples. She came up with a great solution. Can you come up with a name for our group? Hold on means to wait or to grip something tightly. On the examples. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Hold on tight. The ride is starting. Fill out means to complete a form. Examples. Please fill out this form. I filled out the job application online. Take care of means to look after someone or something. Examples. I'll take care of the kids tonight. She takes care of her plants every day. That's it for today's lesson. You just learned 30 phrasal verbs that English speakers use all the time. Try to use at least 3 of them in your own sentences and drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning and keep shining.